some people. Have you ever wondered why Adobe makes 2 photo editing programs instead of just 1? We go back to the 90s, when everything was neon, and most importantly, you had to buy your software. Understanding the overlap between the programs is the greatest aid to clarity, as is a simple workflow for all your photo editing. Let's look at them one at a time and discover why the 3 points of access to the RAW editor is actually smart and not stupid. Gain even greater control with adjustment layers by the addition of masks.
Yay!
That's what I'm here for, to reassure you.